respected chief guest, my parents and dear citizens, Assalamu alaikum, namaste. So today my topic is importance of education. Education is the process of acquiring knowledge, skill, values, beliefs and habits. It is a lifelong process that helps us to grow and develop physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. Education plays an important role in the lives as it helps us to learn about the world around us. There are different types of education such as the formal and informal education. Formal education is the type of education that we receive from institutions such as schools, colleges and universities. It is a structured and sympathetic form of education where we are taught by qualified professionals. Informal education, on the other hand, is the type of education that we receive from our family, friends and experiences. It's a more relaxed and informal type of education where you are from a type of education that helps us to learn about the world around us. Education is important for personal development as it helps us to grow and learn. It helps to develop our skill and abilities and enable us to be responsible citizens. Education also plays an important role in the progress of our country and it's geared to knowledgeable and skilled individuals who can contribute to the development of our nation. उस जुनून से तुझे तैलीम ने बेगाना किया, उस जुनून से तुझे तैलीम ने बेगाना किया, जो ये कहता था खेती से कि बाने न तराश. I hope this has given you a better understanding of education and its importance. Thank you for listening.
Good, good.